Honestly, the Cudamani Summer Institute is the experience of a lifetime. I wish I could go every year. It's a chance for you to integrate into the local culture, to experience a new type of music and dance, and to make lifelong friendships that I know that I will cherish for the rest of my life.
The teaching environment in the Summer Institute is pretty amazing, and what I mean by that is that you are surrounded by expert performers and musicians who are teaching you one-on-one with these huge smiles on their faces. And I think that's pretty special, and you can't really find that anywhere else in the world.
I've known Cudamani for the last 2 decades and am continually awestruck by the beauty and depth of their artistry. The groups manage to continually innovate with groundbreaking new instrumental and dance works while maintaining a real and spiritual connection to their home village and to local Balinese Hindu temples. To be both engaged in the local community and to push the limits of human creativity provides all of us performing artists and students of the world with immense inspiration and a profound lesson.
Balinese arts are not just about performance. They are about community, family, friendship, and spirit. I will share this with you.
Ooh, the tofu and tempeh dish that would sometimes be cooked for us for lunch. Ugh, it's to die for.
Community, family, friendship, and spirit. I will share this with you. I will share this with you.